Good morning. Today is Thursday, March 12th, and this is the pre-market checklist. So today we've got news coming up here in a little bit. It is in about 20 minutes. We've got unemployment claims. And so I don't want to be trading in front of that. Markets overnight, the indexes sold off a bit further and then had a nice bounce back, but we are showing some more weakness coming into this news. So I'm going to keep an eye on all the index markets this morning to see if we start seeing some strength. I'm going to be going to the NASDAQ to start buying that strength. If we start seeing weakness come in, I'm going to be going to the Dow to start selling into that weakness. But as of this very moment, I don't want to commit to trading any of those index markets. Just want to wait for some more clarity that hopefully will develop later today. And then moving into oil, we did finally break this resistance area up here, and I will keep an eye on oil for some long opportunities if they happen to ride a trend higher. And then depending on how we arrive up to these supply areas up here, I will be interested in shorting them, but again, it depends on how we arrive there. So we'll just have to wait and see on that. There have been no changes on gold or natural gas. Don't want to touch those. Copper, in the overnight session, I was not here to trade this. It did exactly what we were looking to see it do. It finally did officially break into that level. And as soon as it did, it had a nice break of a short-term trend. Let me pull it down so you guys can see it on the 5-minute chart here. So as soon as it broke down to those new lows, we had a nice trend line break, and that would have been a great opportunity to buy and ride that higher. However, now that that happened, the only way I'm going to be interested in buying this again is, one, if we end up going lower again, recreating the same sort of pattern. The other, if we form some clear demand and continue higher. So either one of those situations, I'll be looking to get long on copper. Then when it comes to the currencies, they're all oversold, but none of them appear to be oversold enough for me to start thinking it's time to buy them. So I'm going to avoid those for today. And same thing with Bitcoin. It really hasn't done much over the past several days. So just if I was, again, holding this one, if I had bought these lows previously, I'd be holding it to see what this thing can do. Otherwise, not going to touch it. So I hope that helps you guys. Give some guidance for today. Have a great one. Happy trading.